Find the length of the median AD of triangle ABC having vertices A, B and C. So here we need to find the length of median AD. So triangle ABC, A 0, -1, B 2, 1, C 0, 3. See median AD. So as AD is a median, D is the midpoint. So median definition is a line joining the midpoint of one side to the opposite vertex. A line joining the midpoint of one side to the opposite vertex. So here, as they use the word median AD, so D definitely it will be the midpoint of BC. So D is the midpoint of B and C. So first I'll find D. So D midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. D I'll get x1 is 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1, 1 plus 3, 4 by 2 is 2. So D is 1, 2. Now we need to find the length of AD. AD distance I need to find. A is 0, -1. D is 1, 2. So length of AD distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is here 1 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus of minus plus 1 whole square. So you'll get here 1 square plus 3 square. So AD is 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. So AD is root 10 units. So length of the median means first find the midpoint, then find the distance. Find the length of the median of AD. Fine. So here the distance of the median AD, the length of the median is root 10 units.